morning students. In the last class we discussed some problems on data representation. Now next question. Write note on computer codes. Write a note on computer codes. You have to write definition or method explanation about the particular code, that is BCD, XS3, then EBC, extended binary coded decimal interchange code, then ASCII code. So you have to explain the method, how to convert, how to write the code for given character in each coding system, and example each. Next, convert 36.3125 base 10 is equal to, the question will be like this: convert 36.3125 base 10 is equal to question mark base 2. Means you have to convert into binary format. How to convert? The integer part you have to divide it by 2. 2 ones are remainder 1, 2 8s are 16, 0. 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. 1 double 0, 1 double 0, that is integer part, and fractional part 0.3125. So we have to multiply by 2 and result 10. So what's the value? If you multiply that number, you can use a simple calculator in the examination also. Now, into 2, 0.625. Result 0.625. Carry, 0 is the carry. 0.625 into 2. 1.25. 1 is the carry. 0.25 into 2. 0.5. Now, 0 is the carry, 0.5 into 2, that is equal to 1.0, 1 is the carry, 0.0 into 2, you get a result 0. So, when you get result 0, then stop multiplying. Top to down, you have to take values. Now, 0.0101 base 2. In this way, you have to convert. Next. 168.9450. Means you have to convert into binary. 168 2 4s are. Then remainder is 0. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 0. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 10s are 20, remainder is 1. 2 5s are 10, remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. 1 0 1 0 1, 1 0 1 0 1, 1 0 1 0 1, triple 0. This is integer part. Now fractional part. 0.9450 into 2, result and carry. Point 9450 into 2, 1.89. So one is a carry. 0.89 into 2, 3. 3.78 0.8900 into 2, 1.700 into 1.7. What is the carry? 0.7800 into 2, 0.7800 into 2, 1.56. One is a carry. 0.56 into 2, 0.56. 1.12. What is a carry? 0.12 into 2, 0.12. 0.12 into 0.26, sorry, 0.24. We get a 0 as a carry. Then 0.24. You can take 2 zeros here. 0.48. 0 is the carry. 0.48 into 2, 0.96. Now 0.96 into 2, 1.92. One is a carry. Now again we get the same value here, 0.9. You can stop multiplying. So the result is 0.11100001. Base 2. Next. Explain Two's complement subtraction with an example. We have to take 2's complement of subtrahend, then add the 2's complement number to minus n. We get a result. If the result having end around the carry, discard the carry. If there is no end around the carry, we have to take 2's complement of the result and put the result with the negative sign. That is the step we need to write here. An example, consider an example here. In this way, you have to write the explanation. You have to show how to take 2's complement also. 44 base 10 minus 56 base 10. So directly we have given 44 minus 56. So this is the minus and it is a subtrahend. 44. What is the binary representation of 44? 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. 32, 42. So we won't get here. 32 plus 8. 40, 40 plus 4, 44. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. And for 56, 32 plus 10, 42, 42 plus 6, 48, 48 plus 8, 56. 111, 000. Now, according to the rule, step 1, 2's complement of subtrahend. This is a subtrahend and this is minus. 2's complement of 1, 1, 1, 000 is how to take 2's complement of a given number. First we have to take 1's complement, then we shall add 1 to the least significant bit of the result. It gives it 2's complement. 1. How to get the 1's complement? 000, 111 plus 1. According to binary addition rule, 1 plus 1, 10. Here 0 is the result and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 0, carry 1, 0, 0. So this is a 2's complement of subtrahend 56. Now, we have to add this 2's complemented result to the minus end. Add 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, double 1, 0. Then 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1, 1. Here no end around carry. There is no end around carry. So we have to take 2's complement of a result. Here no end around carry. So take 2's complement of 2's complement of 11010. That is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So the number is 12. Now we have to write in the decimal form 12 base 10. 56 minus 44 minus 56 minus 1. So according to the rule, we have to write a minus sign here. Let's subtract using 1's complement 11 minus 10. 11 base 10 minus 10 base 10. Now it is 1's complement. Again we have to write the explanation 1's complement. Explanation I hope you know. Now this is the minus 11 is the minus and 10 is the subtrahend. The base 10, don't confuse with the binary number 1, but it is not a binary number. They have given the base 10, means it's 11. 8, 0, 1, 1, means 8, 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Here, 8, 0, 8, 4, 2, 1, no, 8, under 8, there is a bit 1 and 2 also. Now, 1's complement of 10 is, it's very simple, one's complement, all zeros are replaced by 1 and all ones are replaced by 0. 0, 1, 0, 1. Next, add step 2, add 0, 1, 0, 1 to minus, that is 1, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 0, carry 1, 0, 1. Here we get the end around carry. End around carry. So it's a ones complement subtraction. So we have to add the end around carry to the LSB of the result. Step 3, add end around carry to LSB of 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is the result here. 4 zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 1. 1, 0, 0, 0. Base 2. And it is 1 base 10. In decimal number, we have to write 1. In binary, 4-bit binary, equals to 1. Next question. One's complement subtraction. How to write 9 in 4 bit? 8 plus 1, 9 and 13. 12, 1. Okay. Now, this is binary conversion. One's complement of subtrahend. How to write the one's complement of subtrahend? Which is 1, 1, 0, 1 is 0, 0, 1, 0. Now add 0, 0, 1, 0 to minus 1, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. Now, here no end around carry. So we have to take the ones complement of the result and negative side. Take one's complement of 1, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 0. Will be the result, minus sign. So it's the decimal form is 4 base 10. 13 minus 4, 9 minus 13, that is minus 4. Next question. From 28 using 2's complement. From 28. See here. From 28. 28 is a minus and 17 is a surprise. How to write binary code for 28? 16, 8, 4 to 1. Then 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. 0, 0. 1, 1, 1, 0. 17. 16 plus 1, 17. 1, 0, 0, 1. Now, take 1's complement, sorry, 2's complement of subtrahend. That is 2's complement of 2's complement of 17. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Next, discard carry and around. Now 0 1 0 1 1. 0 1 0 1 1 raised to, what's the value here? 8 4 2 1. 10 plus 1 11. 11 base 10. Next 18 from 12. So 18 from 12. 12 is the mind wave and 18 is the subtraction. 8 4 2 1. Here 16 plus 2 8. Sorry, 18. To write 12 in binary, 4 bits are enough. But for 18, 5 bits are enough. We need 5 bits. To balance, we have to write one more bit here, 0. Now, step 1. 2's complement of 1 0 0 1 0 is 0 1 1 0 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 is sorry. Next step 2, add 0 1 1 1 0 2 minus that is 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 plus 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 0 plus 1 1 1. There is no integral to carry, so we have to take 2's complement of a result, that is 0 0 2's complement of 1 1 0 1 0 is 0 0 1 0 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 1 1 0 0. So this is 6, that is equal to minus 6 base 10. So 12 minus 18. 12 minus 18 means minus 6. Next, find, in this pattern you get a question in the annual exam, 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 point 1 0 1 1. This is equal to question mark base 3 question mark base 6. So binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal. How to convert? First binary to octal you have to convert, then binary to hexadecimal. So how to convert a binary number to octal number system? We have to make a group of 3 bits now. First we should write these bits space 1 0 0 1 point 1 0 1 1. For integer part we shall group from LSB. One more bit we required, so we have to write a dotted 0 here. So this is for octal. and here start from MSB. 2 bits are required here, so 2 dotted zeros. Now 3 1 1.54 311.54 base 8. Next octal over no hexadecimal. Make a group of 4 bits. Eight 4, 8 plus 4 12. This is 12. 8 plus 1 9. 8 2 10 plus 1 11. In hexadecimal 12 can be written as ABC. C 9 point B. C9 point B base 16. Next. Find fade. Fade. This 16 is question mark base 8 again. Base 8 and base 10. Now, first we have to convert octal number, hexadecimal to octal system. F, A, B, E. Let us write the 4-bit binary for each digit. F means 15, A 10, 1 0 1 0, B, A, B, C, 10, 11, 13, E 14. Now, combined you have to write these bits and make a group of 3 bits. 1 2 3. Here we need 2 more bits, dotted zeros. 1 7 5 3 3 6. So 1 7 5 3 3 6 base 8. Next, convert into decimal. How to convert octal number into decimal number? From which number system we are going to convert octal? We have to multiply the digits, these digits, by 16. Sorry, hexadecimal to hexadecimal to decimal. Fade to decimal. F into 16 plus A into 16 plus D into 16 plus E into 16. 0, 1, 2, 3. F means 15 into 16 to the power of 3 plus 10 into 16 to the power of 2 plus 13 into 16 plus 14 into 16. Power 1, 0. Now 16 into 16 into 16. 16 into 16 into 16. 4096 into 15 plus 6 are 256. 256 into 10 plus 13 into 16 plus 14 into 1. Now 4096 into 15. 61,440 plus 2,560 plus 13 into 16, 208 plus 14. So let us add these things. Plus 14 plus 2,560 plus 61,440 is equal to 64,222 base 10. Next, evaluate. Value B base 16 is equal to base 8, base 10 and base 2. Base 8, base 10, base 2. Now let us start from base 8. BE how to convert hexadecimal to octal. First, we should write these characters. B. How to write? What is the decimal value of B? 10, 11, 14, 10, 30. Now, 4-bit binary for 11, 8. Plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11, 40, 8, 4, 2, 1, here 8 plus 2, here 8, 2 plus 1. Now, let us write these bits together. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So, let us make a group of 3 bits. Base 8. One 3 side 2. So 8 is to 10. So 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1 here. 1, 0, 1 is 5. Next, decimal. Eleven into 16 to the power of 3 plus 14 into 16 to the power of 2, 10 into 16 plus d into 1. D means 13 Now 16 into 16 into 16, 4096 into 11, 45,056. Now 14 into 256, 256 into 14, 3,584 plus 10 into 16, that is 160 plus 13 plus 160 plus 13 plus 45,056. So answer is 48,813 base 10. Next, binary. B. This is the binary conversion now in hexadecimal. I hope you understood this chapter. So what are the possible questions they asked from this chapter? What is meant by positional number system? What is non-positional number system? Then example for positional number systems and non-positional number system. In positional, there are different categories: binary, octal, hexadecimal, and decimal number system. After that, conversion from one number system to another number system. So first we started from decimal number to other number system. We consider it hexadecimal, binary, and octal as other number systems, and we take the base, that is binary number, decimal number system. Decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal. That is one type of conversion. The method is same, only bases are different. To convert decimal to binary, we have to divide a given number from the base, that is 2. To convert decimal to octal, we have to divide the given number by the base of octal number system, that is 8. To convert hexadecimal, 16, we have to use 16 to divide the number, and we have to keep the remainder, and we have to write in the reverse order. Then other number system to decimal number system. From which number system we are going to convert, we have to take the base of that number system and multiply each digit of the given number. Then other number system to other number system, in that octal to binary, binary to octal, octal to hexa, hexadecimal to octal, then binary to hexa, hexa to binary. So this is about the conversions. After that, binary addition and binary subtraction. So in binary subtraction, using that method, we can subtract only larger number to smaller number, and we cannot represent the negative numbers. In order to represent negative integers, we have different methods. One is ones complement, twos complement, and sign and magnitude representation. In sign and magnitude representation, if the given number is negative, that sign bit takes a value 1. If it is positive, sign bit is 0. And ones complement, twos complement. How to take ones complement of a number? You have to replace all ones by 0 and all zeros by 1. And for twos complement, first you should take the ones complement, then add 1 to the LSB of a result, that is ones complemented number. Then we get a twos complement. After that, twos complement subtraction and ones complement subtraction. So we all know the method.